Hey everybody, this is Simon. In this video, we will take a look at bubble sort. Bubble sort is a basic sorting algorithm that compares adjacent elements in a list and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. It continues this process until the entire list is sorted. Let's see the bubble sort in action. We are going to compare adjacent elements, and if they are out of place, we will swap them. We are starting from the beginning of the array. 5 is greater than 3, we swap 5 and 3. 5 is greater than 1, we swap them. 5 is greater than 4, we swap them. 5 is less than 8, no need to swap. We move to the next pair. 8 is greater than 2, we swap them. We completed the first comparison iteration. The result of the iteration is 8 in the proper place. The array is not sorted yet, we start from the beginning of the array. 3 is greater than 1, we swap them. 3 is less than 4. We are moving to the next pair. 4 is less than 5. We move to the next pair. 5 is greater than 2, we swap them. We completed one more iteration. Now 5 is in the proper place. We are starting one more iteration. 1 is less than 3. We are moving to the next pair. 3 is less than 4. We are moving to the next pair. 4 is greater than 2, we swap them. We completed one more iteration. Now 4 is in the proper place. We are starting one more iteration. 1 is less than 3. We are moving to the next pair. 3 is greater than 2, we swap 3 and 2. One more iteration was completed. 1 is less than 2. No need to swap. Now 2 is in the proper place. We completed the sorting. Here is how to implement bubble sort in Python. The implementation in C# or Java is very similar. The time complexity of bubble sort is big O of n squared, where n is the size of the array. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.